Namaste. I'm Dr. Tanvi, and before I begin to tell you about mindness, let me start with you. Life today asks so much of us. We are expected to be better parents, better professionals, better partners, healthier, calmer, and more productive. Yet, very few of us are taught how to understand ourselves. Children today are growing up in this digital world. Teenagers are trying to find their identity. Parents are trying to do the best to their capacity while carrying the burden they rarely speak about. Women are balancing multiple roles while often placing themselves at the last. Adults are quietly managing stress, relationships, and responsibilities every single day. Different stories, different phases of life, and yet that one common inherent need to feel understood, to feel belong to the place we are in. And that's what Mindness was created for. What exactly and why I created Mindness? Let me get you through this. Over the years, as an MD psychiatrist, I realized something that changed the way I looked at mental well-being. Most people don't need someone to judge them, they need someone to listen to them before offering solutions. They need that listening ear that takes them in that non-judgmental way. Lasting change rarely happens because someone gives us advice. It happens when we begin to understand ourselves, our habits, our emotions, and the people we love. And most importantly, the belief we have about ourselves. That understanding slowly changes the way we live, and Mindness was born from that very belief. If you're still listening, what exactly is this Mindness? Is this platform for only parents? No. Is this platform for only mental well-being? Absolutely not. Mindness is a platform for lifelong well-being. It is a place where children, teenagers, adults, women, and families can learn, reflect, and grow together. We bring together evidence-based psychiatry, lifestyle medicine, Ayurveda, and practical everyday tools to help people build healthier minds, stronger relationships, and most importantly, the more meaningful lives. That isn't exactly about perfection. It's about becoming a little better, a little healthier, a little calmer, and taking that one step at a time. So what is Mindness and what exactly do we do here? So at Mindness, we believe information alone does not change everything. Experiences do. And that's why our programs are designed to be interactive, informative, and at the same time relatable to our everyday lives. You will complete questionnaires, you will receive simple worksheets, you will build habits that fit into your daily life. You will take part in meaningful conversations, and every session is designed to help you apply what you learn and not just remember it. So let me take you to our very first program. So like Mindness is designed for every stage of life, our very first flagship program has been designed for our very own parents. So a 12-week guided course designed for parents as well as children, where you will go through practical discussions, questionnaires, real-time case discussions, conversations, and build patterns which just go beyond discipline and improving connection and building calmer, healthier homes. So every week will include such live sessions, practical activities and exercises that can be implemented immediately in your day-to-day practice. We also integrate lifestyle medicine and Ayurvedic principles to support sleep, nutrition, routines, and emotional well-being. Along the way, you will also have guest lecturers introducing you to varied topics real case time discussions. And our goal isn't just to create perfect parents, it is also to help families build stronger relationships that last longer even after the program ends. So you won't just become a better parent, you will also become a better version of your own self. So what will you experience in these 12 weeks? During this period, you will notice something very remarkable. Your conversations will become calmer. Your child will feel heard again. Screen time battles will reduce and routines will become even more meaningful. Small habits will begin and start replacing the daily conflicts. And most importantly, you will start understanding not only your child but even yourself as a parent and as a better individual. Because every child grows best not only when he is doing the right thing but also when the parents are growing along with him. So if you've watched this video so far, I'm sure that there's something which resonated with you. Maybe you're looking for help, maybe you're simply curious, or maybe you are ready for change. Whatever brought you here, let me invite you to take the very next step. Start by telling us something about yourself through the Mindness Journey form. We'll understand your goals, answer your questions, and help you discover whether this journey is the right fit for you. And let me tell you something very, very important. At Mindness, we don't promise quick fixes, but what we promise from heart is to walk beside you with science, practical guidance, and most importantly, compassion. Because every stage of life deserves to be understood, and every meaningful journey begins with that one step. So I look forward to welcoming you to the Mindness family and take that very step. Thank you so much.